Hello, gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's crucial for every man over 60 who wants to stay active, strong, and independent. Leg weakness. Have you ever felt that your legs just don't have the power they used to? Maybe getting up from a chair feels a bit harder, or a walk around the block leaves you more tired than it should. You're not alone, and the good news is, you can absolutely do something about it. It's a common misconception that losing leg strength is just an inevitable part of aging. While some age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is normal, we have a tremendous amount of control over its speed and severity. The key is to be proactive. Ignoring early signs of leg weakness can lead to a domino effect: reduced mobility, a higher risk of falls, and a loss of the freedom to do the things you love, whether that's playing with your grandkids, hiking, or simply managing your daily life with confidence. So, where do we start? It's a three-pronged approach: targeted movement, smart nutrition, and supportive lifestyle habits. Let's break it down. First, let's talk about movement. You don't need to become a bodybuilder overnight. Consistency is far more important than intensity. One of the single best exercises you can do is the simple body weight squat. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, chest up, and lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as you comfortably can, even if it's just a few inches, and then push back up to the starting position. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions a few times a week. This single movement strengthens your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, the powerhouse muscles of your legs. Another fantastic low-impact exercise is walking lunges. Step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee stays behind your toes. Push off your back foot to return to standing, and then repeat with the other leg. This improves not only strength but also balance and stability, which are critical for fall prevention. And don't forget your calf muscles. Simple calf raises, where you stand and lift your heels off the ground, are incredibly effective. You can hold onto a wall or chair for support. These muscles act like a second heart, helping to pump blood back up from your legs, which is vital for circulation. Now, let's move on to the second pillar: nutrition. You can't build a strong house with poor materials, and the same goes for your body. Building and maintaining muscle requires a healthy diet rich in protein. As we get older, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, so it's important to make sure you're getting enough. Excellent sources include lean chicken, fish like salmon, which is also packed with anti-inflammatory omega-3 south, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, and lentils. Try to include a source of protein with every meal. Beyond protein, we need a diet that fights inflammation and supports overall health. This is where immune-boosting foods come in. Think colorful fruits and vegetables. Berries, leafy greens like spinach and kale, broccoli and bell peppers are loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. These natural remedies from the earth are powerful tools in your wellness arsenal. Hydration is another non-negotiable. Our muscles are about 75% water. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, and reduced performance. Ditch the sugary sodas and juices and make water your primary drink. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and more if you're active or it's a hot day. Finally, let's talk about lifestyle. 2 of the most important factors here are sleep and stress management. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. If you're struggling with sleep, try creating a relaxing bedtime routine. Turn off screens an hour before bed. Read a book or do some gentle stretches. Chronic stress can also sabotage your efforts by increasing levels of the hormone cortisol, which can break down muscle tissue. Find healthy ways to manage stress, whether it's through meditation, deep breathing exercises, spending time in nature, or enjoying a hobby. Let's do a quick recap. To combat leg weakness and reclaim your performance, focus on these key actions. First, incorporate strength exercises like squats, lunges, and calf raises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week. Second, fuel your body with a healthy diet rich in protein and immune-boosting foods like colorful vegetables and fruits. Stay hydrated. Third, prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and find effective ways to manage your stress. Remember, this isn't about a radical overhaul overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes that add up to big results. Start with 1 or 2 of these suggestions. Maybe this week you focus on doing a few sets of squats every other day. Next week, you can add in a protein source to your breakfast. Each step forward is a victory. Your ability to stay active and engage with life is directly tied to the strength in your legs. Taking action now is an investment in your future health, freedom, and happiness. You have the power to stop leg weakness in its tracks and continue performing at your best for years to come. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you found this information valuable and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tips on natural health and wellness. We'd love to have you in our community. Stay strong, and we'll see you in the next video. Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's literally at the core of our well-being: gut health. You've probably heard that a healthy gut is key to a healthy life, affecting everything from our mood to our immune system. But did you know that what you eat is only half the story? The other half is how you combine your foods. It's like having a team of superheroes. They're great on their own, but when they team up, they become an unstoppable force for good. In this video, we're going to uncover 4 surprising food pairings that can supercharge your gut, turning your everyday meals into powerful natural remedies. Forget bland, boring diets. We're talking about delicious, simple combinations that will work wonders for your digestive system. These pairings are not just about taste. They're about creating a synergy that boosts nutrient absorption, fights inflammation, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. So, if you're ready to transform your healthy diet and discover some amazing immune-boosting foods, stick around. Let's get started on our journey to a happier gut. Our first power couple is one you might not expect: apples and dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. It sounds like a decadent dessert, but it's actually a powerhouse for your gut. Let's break down why this combination is so effective. Apples are packed with pectin, a type of soluble fiber that acts as a prebiotic. Think of prebiotics as the fertilizer for your gut garden. They feed the beneficial bacteria, helping them thrive. When these good bacteria ferment pectin, they produce butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that is the primary fuel for the cells lining your colon. A healthy colon lining is crucial for preventing a leaky gut and reducing inflammation. Now, let's bring in the dark chocolate. We're talking about high-quality dark chocolate, ideally with 70% cacao or more. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. Here's where the magic happens. When the good bacteria in your gut get a hold of these compounds, they ferment them into smaller anti-inflammatory molecules that your body can easily absorb. So, When you combine the prebiotic fiber from the apple with the antioxidants from the dark chocolate, you're creating an incredible anti-inflammatory and gut-nourishing team. The apple's fiber helps the beneficial microbes flourish, and those microbes, in turn, help you unlock the full anti-inflammatory potential of the chocolate. A simple snack of apple slices with a few squares of dark chocolate isn't just a treat. It's a strategic move for your long-term gut health. Moving on to our second surprising duo, lentils and tomatoes. This pairing is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It's a classic example of how traditional wisdom often aligns perfectly with modern nutritional science. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and, more importantly for our gut, they are loaded with both soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regularity and helping to sweep your digestive tract clean. The soluble fiber, much like the pectin in apples, serves as a prebiotic, feeding your friendly gut flora. A healthy, diverse microbiome is a cornerstone of a strong immune system. So, where do tomatoes come in? Tomatoes are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, and a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. The interesting part is that lentils, like many legumes and grains, contain compounds that can slightly inhibit the absorption of certain minerals like iron. Iron is vital for energy and overall health. Here's the synergistic part. Vitamin C, which is abundant in tomatoes, dramatically enhances the absorption of non-heme iron, the type of iron found in plant-based foods like lentils. So when you cook lentils with a tomato-based sauce or add fresh tomatoes to a lentil salad, you're not just adding flavor. You're ensuring that your body can access and utilize the essential iron from the lentils more effectively. This pairing supports your energy levels and provides a fantastic fiber-rich base for a thriving gut microbiome. It's a perfect example of how a complete and healthy diet is about smart combinations. Our third incredible pairing takes us into the world of fermented foods, kimchi and tofu. This is a match made in gut health heaven. Combining the power of probiotics with high-quality plant-based protein. Let's start with kimchi, the spicy fermented cabbage dish from Korea. Kimchi is a probiotic superstar. It's teeming with live, beneficial bacteria, particularly strains of lactobacillus. These probiotics are like reinforcements for your gut army, helping to balance your microbiome, crowd out harmful bacteria, and support digestion. A gut rich in diverse probiotics is better equipped to fight off pathogens, which directly links to a stronger immune response. Plus, the fermentation process makes the nutrients in the cabbage more bioavailable. Now, let's add tofu to the mix. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a great source of complete protein. But beyond that, soybeans also contain prebiotics, specifically oligosaccharides. These are complex sugars that our bodies can't digest, but our gut bacteria absolutely love them. So when you eat tofu, you're providing the perfect food source for the probiotic bacteria you're introducing with the kimchi. It's a beautiful cycle. The tofu's prebiotics feed the kimchi's probiotics, helping them colonize and thrive in your gut. This synergy enhances the benefits of both foods. The protein in tofu helps keep you full and satisfied, while the kimchi and its prebiotic partner work to build a robust and resilient gut ecosystem. A simple dish like a kimchi tofu scramble or a kimchi stew is an amazing natural remedy for digestive wellness. Finally, our fourth and final powerhouse pairing is turmeric and black pepper. This combination is a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine and has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for inflammation. Turmeric's active compound curcumin is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatory agents known to us. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic health issues, including digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome. By reducing inflammation in the gut lining, curcumin can help soothe digestive distress and support the integrity of the gut barrier. However, there's a catch. On its own, curcumin is not very well absorbed by our bodies. A large portion of it gets metabolized before it can work its magic. This is where black pepper steps in to save the day. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Piperine has a remarkable ability to enhance the bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It does this by inhibiting certain enzymes in the liver and the intestinal wall that would otherwise break down the curcumin too quickly. So, by simply adding a pinch of black pepper whenever you use turmeric whether in a curry, a golden milk latte, or even sprinkled on roasted vegetables, you are unlocking the full anti-inflammatory potential of the turmeric. This simple culinary trick transforms turmeric from a simple spice into a powerful, immune-boosting food that can have a profound effect on your gut health and overall well-being. It's a testament to how small changes in our diet can lead to big results. So there you have it for delicious and surprising food pairings that can truly supercharge your gut health. We've seen how apples and dark chocolate create an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, how lentils and tomatoes boost iron absorption while feeding your gut, how kimchi and tofu team up as a probiotic and prebiotic force, and how turmeric and black pepper unlock incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Incorporating these pairings into your healthy diet is simple and enjoyable. It's not about restriction. It's about making smarter, more synergistic choices. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a vibrant life, influencing your energy, mood, and immune system. By embracing these natural remedies, you're taking a proactive step towards long-term wellness. Start with 1 or 2 of these combinations this week and see how you feel. Your gut will thank you for it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you found this information helpful and feel inspired to experiment in your own kitchen. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about natural health and wellness, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these food pairings are you most excited to try? Until next time, eat well and be well.